Each quarter, we bring our team across the globe to one of our countries. Today it's Uzbekistan, to connect, to exchange the knowledge, to learn from each other.
This format of Yangoversity allows us dive deeper into the local specifics of each region and specific countries.
I really like when people come to the Yangoversity to know some information from other streams, from other teams. It's always about exchanging information.
Hi everyone, today I'm stepping in the taxi driver shoes to better understand the user experience for both taxi drivers and our clients and gain real consumer insights from the field.
Such events allow us to make connections between people from different regions, from different countries. So I think it is crucial for us as a company, as a business, and as a community. It's important for people to meet each other, to understand who is behind the Telegram, the chat, or who is actually the person who is doing the job with you.
Each market is so different, and to be successful in it became truly local. Enjoy Yangoversity with us.